everybody, Sister Fantastic here, and today's video is going to be a minimalistic eye look with a bright lip. And I'm getting ready to go somewhere, and my husband likes to be wherever we're going about 30 minutes early, and so we have to leave here in about 30 minutes. And I am moving so slow. I took a nap this afternoon and I got up and I just feel like I need about a pot of coffee. And so anyhow, I'm just trying to, just do the bare minimum. So I went in with some serum and moisturizer, and I prepped the skin good. I've got on the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And then I took some of my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer and put that underneath my eyes since I'm feeling so tired. And I went in with the e.l.f. eye powder, which is the most finely milled powder that they make, and it's really good for setting underneath the eyes because it minimizes any kind of texture or wrinkles or anything like that. And then I did my brows, and I used the Wet n Wild Color Icon pencil that I've been using here lately in the color taupe. And then I put on a little blush. I'm using the Clean Color Miss Chic, this pretty bright pink called Rose. That's the name of it. Anyway, just a little light flush of color on the cheeks, just minimum. And so now I'm ready to get into the eyes, and I haven't really used the Rainforest of the Sea from Tarte very much, and so I want to get into this today and just create a little minimalistic warm look just with these pretty browns. And so anyhow, I'm going to go in with this color here called Conch, which is, well, here, let me flip it over where you can see it. It's this second one here, which is kind of like a off-white. And I'm just going to get this all on my lid and just lay something down on the lid just to give our crease color somewhere to go when I put that down. And I haven't really used a whole lot of this palette, so I wanted to go into this today and just do something with these browns. Okay, now I'm going to go into this medium brown shade right here. It's called Marina right here. And let me just get a smaller brush. Let me get a fluffy brush. I'm going to use this one here by Wet n Wild. I like this little fluffy brush for the crease. It just seems like the bristles are just the right length. So anyhow, this is just going to blend right in with that off-white color, and I can build up the pigment. And I'm going to take this pretty high up on the lid. I've got these hooded eyes, and I have a tendency sometimes to go too low with my eyeshadow. And instead of making my eyes look wide open, I wind up making my eyes look more closed. So today I want to focus on making my eyes look more wide open. So I'm going to take that pretty high up. I'm just going to, I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on my look today, but I do want to make the eyes look nice with just a minimum amount of color. And this is just like a basic everyday look for me. I love neutrals. If I have a good frosty, if I have an off-white, and if I have a couple of browns and maybe a really dark brown to go with it, and then a frosty white or a highlighter of some sort, I'm good. I can create a look with just those 3, 4, 5 colors. So anyway, I'm going casual tonight. I'm just wearing jeans, and I've got a little red and white striped top that I like to wear. And right now I'm just sitting here, and it's like a duster. And this is just something I throw on to hang around the house in, or walk the dog, or whatever, when I'm not, quite ready to get dressed yet. And it's cooler than a bathrobe. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. Let me go in with this one from AOA Studio. This is the E112. And I'm going to go in with this next shade. It's called Seaside, right there. And I'm just gonna put this into the crease. Just gonna go a little bit lower. I love this color here. I think it's so pretty. Alright, just blending it away. Alright, so that's pretty good. And I'll blend some more here in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to take that same brush, and I'm just going to go into this dark brown color here called Siren. And I'm just going to put that on the tip of the brush. And I'm going to go right here into the socket line. And use these windshield washer motions and just... I'm going to take that on around. And connect that in the corner. Just easy peasy tonight. Alright. Alright, I'll blend that some more in a minute. Alright, now what I want to do is I want to take a packing brush. Let me take this. Let me find it here. This is the one I want. This is by e.l.f. It's an eyeshadow brush by e.l.f. And I'm going to go into this real pretty gold. It's a real pretty shimmer right there. I'm just going to put that right here on the lid. Alright, this isn't really doing it for me, so let me get some setting spray here and spray my brush. And go back in. See if I can't get some. Oh yeah, this is better. And this is like a cut crease with my little hooded eyes. So I'm just going to settle down into that natural, the way my eyes are naturally made. Okay, so now I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to go into this, the lightest color here called Pearl. And I'm just going to put a little of that on the brow bone. Not a whole lot, just enough to give it a lift. Okay, and then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend everything together. Let me take this one here from Wet n Wild. Did y'all see that? Wet n Wild. Okay. Alright, and I'm just going to just blend all that together. That's pretty good. Alright, and I'm going to go in with the waterproof mascara here from Wet n Wild, the Mega Plump. And this is in the color, I believe it's brown black. It may be black, I'm not sure. Anyway, it's brown black or black, one or the other. I can't read the label, it's too little. I need a magnifying glass or something. And I just got a glob of it on my eyelid. Because I'm in a hurry. Happens every time. And I should wait and let it dry, but I never do. Anyway. Anyway, we're not striving for perfection. We're just making progress, making progress. Keep trying to tell myself that. I'm getting motivated here. I'm getting ready. We're fixing to leave the house. And that glob is still there. It's not as dark as it was. But let me show you one of my little tricks and tips that I do for whenever I make boo-boos like that. I'll take a little brush, a smudger brush, and I have this one here from Elf, and I'll just go into that dark color that I was using right here called Siren, and I can just use it like an eyeliner, and I'll just put a little dab of it right there on the outer part of my lash line, and it brings the illusion of thicker lashes. And I'll just start like, I'll just go in like halfway, and then I'll just bring it up and just connect it to what's already in the corner. And so whatever little smudge was there from the mascara is covered up. Genius! Alright, let me do it on the other side. And it's kind of like eyeliner, but it's just using eyeshadow, and it's soft, you know, you just soften it up because you're smudging it. And if you have problems with your eyes watering, you know, this is a great little tip and trick to do also for watery eyes. You can just kind of replenish, you know, that eyeshadow in the corner there. Okay. Alright, now enough with the eyes. What I want to do is I want to make this really bright lip. I'm going to make a statement here. This is the waterproof lip liner from BH Cosmetics in the shade Glory. And I'm just going to go in with this. Okay. And then you can take any red lipstick that you like, your favorite red lipstick, or, you know, something. So anyway, today I'm going in with an old favorite of mine from Avon. And anyway, this is what it looks like. I can't even read the name of it. It's so tiny. But anyway, I have to work on getting me a magnifying glass. This is like a coral red. And it's really creamy. It does not dry down matte. But man, it makes a statement. It matches my nail polish. So. And if you notice, I did not take the lip liner all the way in to the corner. And I left that kind of blank. And the reason is that if I take it all the way into the corner, then within a couple hours or whatever, the product just kind of moves up into the corner and out on the sides of the mouth, and it's just too much product, and I look like the Joker on Batman or something, or what was his name, honey? The one that Jack Nicholson played, you know, and his mouth was just way out there. Anyway, it was just crazy. So anyway, I don't want to look like that. I don't want that kind of a lipstick look. So, but this is good right here. So, and it is drying down. Not completely matte, but pretty good. But I think it is transferable. So anyhow, we'll give it another minute and see what happens. Anyway, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Make sure and if you haven't subscribed already, you know, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can receive, you know, all the notifications from my future videos. Leave me a comment down in the section below, and I'll be sure to chat back with you. This is just a everyday go-to look for me. Just your basic neutrals with a bright red lip, and this is a look that I can fall back on anytime I'm in a great big hurry. And so anyhow, I had about 30 minutes to put on makeup today, and anyway, I didn't have a whole lot of time, so I just wanted to do something really quick. But anyway, this little palette right here, Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 2 by Tarte. It's a great little palette. I've created several looks with this, and as you can see, there's a blue in there, and then you've got, you know, browns. There's a really pretty gray, and then you've got this off-white, and then this real pretty pearl. You can use this to deepen up the corner with, or do like I did today and create that, it's like a cut crease, but it's soft. It's not a harsh cut crease. So anyhow, I like the softer looks. To me, they just flatter more, I think. So anyway, that's my personal preference. So anyway, I just wanted to say God bless you all today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.